In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $650 every single day with stock market. Now, right off the bat, this may sound a little bit scary for all you guys out there, but actually don't worry because we're not going to be doing any trading. We're not going to be any investing. What we're actually going to do is use affiliate marketing, combine it with stock trading, and start making a nice passive income of around $600 in affiliate commissions. Now, if you think this is going to be some complicated financial stuff, you can stop worrying right now because all you need for this method is just laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time. And if you follow this video through till the end, I'm going to show you step by step how to actually set this all up without having to invest any money of your own. And if you've actually been considering to going into stock market or stock trading and all that complicated financial stuff, but you don't have the necessary funds for that, this method may be your gateway into that world, because with this method you can save up considerable amount of money, and once you do that and you're really interested in it, you can actually get into stock market yourself. So if you're looking forward to this method, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more cool money making content, and also hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll be notified immediately and get to watch it right away. Oh, and also guys, make sure to watch this video through, put this method to work, and after you make some money with it, return to this video and down in the comments let me know how much money you have made using this method. And with all that being said, let's get right to the method. Now first of all, head over to clickbank.com, and if you're new here, you may want to sign up for a free account. It doesn't cost anything and takes just a couple of minutes, but I've got an advice for you. If you're going to sign up for an account, don't click on start here button, click on login right here, and you want to select this create an account here. This will skip that annoying survey they put out to all new Clickbank members. So just sign up for your free account, and once you do that, just log right into it, then go straight to the affiliate marketplace. And as you have may guessed, we are going to be doing business and investing niche today. So just go to business and investing section, and the exact product that you want to go for is this one right here. It's called high conversion forex robot, 50% commission forex trading signals. As you can see, for this offer you can make $43.19 for every sale that you're going to make. And if you go to their sales page and you go to the sales page, you can see this is a high quality product that's regarding the forex trading market. Now actually, if you noticed, this is a trading system or trading bot which is going to simplify the trading of these forex candles right here. Actually, I myself know very little about trading these stock charts, these candles ups and downs and all that stuff, but what I do know is that it's not as simple as it may look for the first time. And for all those forex traders out there, if you're going to show them that there's this system out there that they can buy literally for $100 right now, and for most of them that's nothing, that's change, okay? If you're going to show them that there's this system that will ease their daily trading patterns and habits, they're really likely to invest $100 into the system so they can start making thousands with their forex trading patterns. Now for example, I myself wouldn't have any use for this because I'm not in the forex market. I don't trade anything, I don't trade stocks, I don't trade forex, I don't trade crypto. But if you show this to the right audience, there's a good chance it's going to be selling like hotcakes. And so actually, to get this to the right audience, I'm going to show you how to do that literally with zero investment, and it's going to take just a couple of minutes of setting up. And once you set this up, it's going to be out there, it's going to be attracting customers to this sales page right here, and if they get here through your affiliate link, you will be making money. So first of all, what you want to do is go to TikTok and skip this Minecraft video right here. What you want to do is go to search bar and look for forex trading charts. Now actually, there's so many of these videos on TikTok explaining how these charts work and all these candles work. That's where I get my knowledge about this stuff from TikTok, because I've seen this for a couple of times, these forex trading charts. That's how I actually came up with this method. So if you go to TikTok and search for forex trading charts, you will see there's many of these videos here that you can use to promote that stuff. Now just go ahead and select one of these videos that's actually showing the charts or how they're moving or how to predict the patterns. Now for example, if you open this one, you can see that somebody is explaining how these charts work, and they're going to predict if they're going to go up and down, and if they're successful, they're going to make money with this. This is actually the type of content we want to promote our affiliate link. What you want to do is just copy the link to this TikTok right here on this right side, click on copy. Then what you want to do is go to Google and look for TikTok downloader. Click on search and go to this website right here, and I highly recommend you use this site right here, 3 S's and tick. Just go to this website, paste the link to the TikTok right here and click on download, and it's going to give you these options. Now you want to download this without a watermark, without a TikTok watermark. That's on all the TikTok videos. Just click on without watermark and it's going to get downloaded to your computer. Next, what you want to do is go to Canva and upload the TikTok you have downloaded from the website. Just click on choose file, upload the video to Canva, and what you want to do is just select this slider and point it to 4 or 5 seconds. Just let the 4 or 5 seconds of video to pass, and after 5 seconds just right click on it and split the image. Then just to this second part of the video, the longer part, go to text heading. Then for the second part of the video, go to text right here, select add a heading, and you want to write in something that's going to sound like this. get this done for you automatically. Now just place this text box up in this video section right here, and now we just go to elements, then just go to elements, select this square shape right here, place it under the text so it's going to make it more visible, something like this. Then just change the color of the box to something like, I don't know, let's go with red. Let's go with red. Now stretch it out so it fits the entire text, something like this. Okay, what you want to do next is select yet another 3 seconds of the video. So if you're at 5 seconds, go to 8 or something like that, go to 8.5 for example. Right click, select split page, place another text box in the video, and what you want to write in this one is this. Check out the link in description, and also place another box under it and make it different color. For example, let's make this one green. Now this is pretty much all you need to do with the video. Just click on share right here, download it as a MP4. This is important. You want to download it as a MP4 and nothing else. Just click on download and it gets saved to your computer. Now I'm actually going to show you the right place to promote this type of videos so you can start making money with your affiliate link. Now the actual place that you're looking for has to be something where people go to search for ideas how to actually improve what they're looking to improve. And the best place for that is actually Pinterest. Now if you didn't know, Pinterest isn't a social media, it's a search engine that's acting as a social media. And as you can see right here in my feed, there's a couple of these candlestick patterns because I've been actually doing this method before, and I've been checking out similar videos posted by other people. But if you check out, for example, this one, you can see this person is doing something similar. They're posting a trading chart video, and here in the description they're directing people somewhere they want them to go to. We are going to the same thing exactly because this works very well. It's time-proven strategy. So what you want to do is just sign up for Pinterest. Once you have your account, just click on create a pin. Now all you need to do is just upload the video right here. Once you upload the video, what you want to do is go back to affiliate marketplace, grab your affiliate link for the product, just write in your ClickBank nickname, click on create a hop link, and it's going to generate this long ugly link for us. Now Pinterest actually isn't very affiliate link friendly. What you need to do is shorten this a little bit. So just copy this link, then use your favorite link shortener, but if you don't have a preference, let me recommend Bitly. Bitly is a link shortener that has many more features that you can use, and once you're signed up for your account, you can see that all the links that you shorten get stored in this very cool library right here, so you don't have to go looking for them everywhere else on the computer or on a scraps of paper around your house. So just go to Bitly, sign up using Google and shorten your link, or you can use any other shortener that you want. This is just a recommendation, okay? Just click on create new link right here, paste the affiliate link into this section and name it something like Forex trading or something, and then just click on create right here. And this is pretty much how it's going to look like. All you need to do now is just click on copy button right here, go back to Pinterest, and in this description you want to point people to the link that you have just copied, and you want to write in there something like this. For example, make chart reading easy with this, and then just go ahead and paste your affiliate link into the description. And now you need to write a title. Now for title, we're gonna have to do something very specific. Go back to TikTok, and what you want to do is copy the username of the original poster, because in order not to get trouble with both TikTok and Pinterest, you need to credit the original author of the video in your title or in your description. So just go ahead and copy the name of the TikToker who posted the original video. For example, in my case it's Trey Dixon. Just go to Pinterest, original video credit on TikTok, add any username of the person you got the video from. Next, you just want to add a couple of hashtags. For example, you can use a couple of these: Forex, stock market, trading, stock charts. This is pretty much done, and what you need to do next is just copy these hashtags, paste them into the tags field right here, and then just publish your pin just like that. Now if you're going to see the pin, now it's going to look something like this. There's the video, there are the hashtags, and there's this description right here that's going to point people to our affiliate link. Once they're going to visit the affiliate link, they will be taken to this sales page right here that's going to be doing all the selling for us. You don't have to do the selling yourself. What you actually want to do is go ahead and create a couple of these pins, because as with TikTok, as with Instagram, as with any other social media platform, you have to create multiple of these to actually get views. So just go back to TikTok, download any other of these videos, but make sure you put the author in the credit, recreate them in Canva, post them to Pinterest, make sure you credit the original author in the post itself, paste your affiliate link, and that's all you need to do. You can do this for a couple of minutes every day, create a couple of pins with your affiliate link, and those sales will definitely start coming in. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can make money with stock market without actually having to do any trading on everything yourself. Now if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like this video, and also to stay tuned for more money making content. Subscribe to this channel, and if this method wasn't your exact cup of tea or cup of coffee, just check out this video right here where I'm going to show you yet another interesting money making method. Check out this video right here. Have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.